So RainPoint sent me this water nozzle, and one of the best things about it is that I love that the on and off button is right here, which is just kind of thumb action. You don't have to worry about squeezing some handle, which actually can get very, very nerve-wracking when you are having to hold that handle the entire time. You can actually control the intensity just by this little motion right here. It does come with 10 different settings, and everything here is actually going to be made out of rubber. This is made out of a hard plastic, and then of course this part right here is actually plastic as well. There is no metal on it whatsoever except for the very base here, and then of course the screw. Everything else is actually made out of plastic. But let's go ahead and connect it to the water hose and let's see how it works. So this watering setting here is going to be the one that I'm going to use the most. It does have all the other different settings that you could use, including the jet stream. But let's go ahead and actually turn this on. This all the way forward is actually going to be off, and then as you turn it on, you can see all the way back is going to be full blast all the way on. So yeah, I love this. I love that I can go ahead and actually control just how much actually comes out just by pushing this forward or back. It's got a really good handle on it, good grip. The rubber is nice because that actually holds in your hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip whatsoever, which is great. I mean, that's fantastic. The only thing that I would worry about is because of the fact that it is made completely out of plastic, I would go ahead and actually disconnect it and take it inside during the winter because I'm afraid that it would get damaged after being outdoor in the elements because of the fact that it's made out of plastic. But other than that, this is a solid little handle here.